to meet her right now. It's July 13th, actually, Saturday, so. Look who's here! Yay! And I'm like, for once, almost as tan as Sarah is. Almost.
You're redder.
I'm redder.
We have a different skin tone.
Yeah, so we're going up to the apartment right now.
Okay.
It's just one flight of stairs, so yay! So we just checked in to our Airbnb. It's over by the Pantheon. It's currently 3:33, and we thought we would give you a little tour of our Airbnb. It's pretty cool. It was created by an architect, so you can really tell the creativity in this room. So when you walk in, you see this little cool mirror thing that has like a violin and like a writing book and a mandolin. And you also see this, which we used to use as a water tap. There's like skiing glove stuff over here, and a desk and flowers. Have like super cool just decorations over here with a lot of cabinets and drawers. And here's my sister looking aesthetic. This is our bed and some chairs and really cool things. Then our view on the wall. This is the Pantheon, y'all. Like legitimately. And I'm gonna run into these because they kind of stick out a lot. Going into the next room, it has cool floors, by the way. It's like the desk area. We have desk, computer. I don't remember what this is. Another light. Some more really cool architecture and everything. And moving on is the kitchen area. It's really cool as well. We have like a nice fridge and stove. This is the bathroom. Ow. I just ran into that. The bathroom. We'll focus with the shower right there, so that's pretty cool. And then there's another outside part that's also really cool that I'm gonna open up. That has flowers. Interesting view of apartments, and then the washing machine right here. So this is really cool. And close this door. Sarah picked out the apartment and she did really well.
Yay!
Yay.
It's super cool.
It is very cool in here. It is still siesta right now, so we're probably just gonna chill out, kind of settle in for the rest of the time. And then we might try to go grocery shopping. We're not sure about it yet. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. This is what it looks like. It's pretty crowded over here, but you can see that. You ready to throw your coin in?
Right hand over my left shoulder.
Yep, right hand, left shoulder. Right, take your spot.
Ready?
Wait, do you want me, here, I'm gonna take a boomerang with my phone. I'm gonna do 3, 2, 1, and then I'll press it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's okay. I'll save it. Yay! Grocery store next?
Yeah.
Cool. Right now we are on our Coliseum tour. We almost barely made it, but we're here and we're walking. We are. And it's hot outside. Very hot. Like a lot. Like I'm sweating a lot. But it's horrible. Very sweaty. It's like you can see it through her clothes, but it's pretty cool here. It's my second time here. It's her first time, but
We barely made it.
yeah.
Like They canceled the 4 p.m. and we like got there and she got us into this one. So
Yep. It's pretty cool. I'm learning a lot more while I'm here.
Okay, now.
What do you think so far?
it's good. There's a lot to see.
Yes.
Also not able to see. It's all gone.
Yeah, because a lot of it was like taken or stolen from the empire or like the place, palace,
Eroded.
or eroded, or just disappeared. 'Cause that's cool.
What? String bass. No, it's not. It's 4. No, he has 3 strings on it. It's weird. 4 pegs, but 3 strings. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 strings.